Hello, how to solve for s from this equation 9 raised to power s plus 15 raised to power s is equal to 25 raised to power x. Solution: 9 raised to power s plus 15 raised to power s is equal to 25 raised to power x. Now from here, we have 9 raised to power s, here is 15 and 25. Let's divide all through by 9 raised to power s. 9 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power s plus 15 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power s is equal to 25 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power x. 9 raised to power s here 1, 9 raised to power s here 1. 1 plus 15 raised to power s over 9 raised to power s is equal to 25 raised to power s over 9 raised to power x. Then 3 goes in this, 3 here, 5. So this can be written as 1 plus 5 raised to power s over 3 raised to power s is equal to, this can be written as 5 square raised to power s over 9 is 3 square raised to power of s. Take note of this exponential rule that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. And if you have a raised to power n over b raised to power n, this is equal to a over b to the power of n. Then this can be written as 1 plus 5 over 3 to the power of s is equal to 5 over 3 to the power of s all square. Now let 5 over 3 to the power of s is equal to m. Then here is 1 plus m is equal to m square. 1 plus m minus m square is equal to 0. Let's rearrange this. M square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. And quadratic general formula is given as a s square plus bs plus c is equal to 0. Then from here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Then m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. M is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1, that is 6 over 2 multiplied by 1. M is equal to minus times minus 1, that is plus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 1, that is plus 4 over 2. M is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. This is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, or 1 minus root 5 over 2. But 5 over 3 to the power of s is equal to m. Now 5 over 3 to the power of s is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, or 5 over 3 to the power of s is equal to 1 minus root 5 over 2. And from here, this is positive and this is negative. The whole of this is rejected. The only real solution we have is this. From here, let's take the log of both sides. Log 5 over 3 to the power of s is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Then s log 5 over 3 is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by log 5 over 3 divided by log 5 over 3 divided by log 5 over 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 divided by log 5 over 3, and this is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 base 5 over 3. So this is the final answer. And if you press your calculator, then s is equal to log 1 plus root 5 over 2 over log 5 over 3 is approximately 0.942. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the step, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.